Alright guys,
I'm ready. Are you ready?
here goes the start to our Blizzard Storm food shop. It's okay. As you guys can see, we do not have a big bread selection. So I don't know what we will get. We can get some vegetables. Alright, let's get an onion.
An onion?
Yeah.
For what?
I like onions. I don't... Oh, it's a picture! Alright. Waiting for tonight. What else do you want? Are we getting those tomatoes? Alright. So which kind of burger selection would you like? We have many options. Mom, do you want burgers? So guys, here we begin to choose our cereal. As you can see, we have a whole lane dedicated to cereal.
How cute he is. So.
He's okay. And here begins our chip aisle. A whole lane dedicated to chips. Are you recording me? Look at those, all those chip options. Now everybody, take a look at our bread. We have so many different kinds of breads. We have English McMuffins, a variety of bagels, French toast, bread, cinnamon bread, protein bread, fiber bread, oatmeal bread, and the list goes on. Hola Laya, this is for you. We have so many Philadelphia cream cheese. There's salmon, cinnamon, sugar, blueberry, vegetable, bacon, honey pecan,